Hey everyone, want to stand out on Facebook as creator? Here's how to build a story-driven Facebook page for creators that attracts loyal followers. Let's get started. First, start with a clear niche or personal story. Then, after that, create a relatable about. Use the about section to tell your story. Be real, like this example here. Then, every post should connect emotionally, behind the scenes, progress, failures, wins, then add short hooks plus caption to frame your journey. You can pin post, you can change the cover photo and intro videos to highlight your story. Think of your page like a visual diary your audience can follow. And that's how you build a story driven Facebook page. If you want more content tips, please like and subscribe for weekly growth strategies. Thanks for watching.